Today's video is a unique guide to 45 of the essential equipment and tools in your kitchen, from knives to thermometers, highlighting their functions and durability. 1. Chef's knives are used for peeling vegetables, slicing, cubing and chopping. It is useful to have a selection of sharp chef knives. 2. Paring knives are used for peeling, trimming and cutting eyes out of vegetables. 3. Palette knives are used for mixing, folding, cake decorating, scraping and turning pancakes. Those which bend at the end of the handle are easier to use. 4. Grapefruit knives have curved blades and serrations on both sides. They are used for segmenting grapefruits and oranges. 5. Potato peelers are used for peeling fruit and vegetables and making chocolate curls. Some are designed for left or right-handed use. They can incorporate an apple corer. The swivel action type peels thinly and has a round handle. 6. Graters are used for breaking down food, e.g., cheese or apple, into a variety of shapes and sizes, depending on the size of the holes. The grater should have fine, medium and coarse sections and a slicing blade. Boxed graters are sturdy and rigid. Flat graters are easier to store and clean. 7. Kitchen scissors are used for cutting rind off bacon, chopping or cutting herbs and making patterns on pastry. The scissors should be heavy-duty and stainless steel. Plastic handles can provide an easier grip. Plain or serrated edges are recommended. 8. Pastry cutters come in different shapes and sizes. They are used for cutting pastry, scones and biscuits. The metal ring variety can be used for poaching eggs and cooking crumpets. 9. Wooden spoons are used for creaming and beating mixtures. You can also use it for shaping a cottage loaf. Some are angled, which is useful when bowls and pans have crevices. Ensure that the wood is smooth. 10. Slotted spoons made from stainless steel are used for lifting food from pans, serving food and removing scum from stock. 11. Spatulas and scrapers are used for scraping mixtures from mixing vessels, folding in and blending light aerated mixtures. Plastic bladed spatulas are cheaper but not as flexible as silicone or rubber ones. 12. Lifters and turners are used for turning foods during cooking, serving foods such as flans. 13. Potato mashers are used for mashing cooked potatoes and other root vegetables. 14. Pestle and mortar is used for crushing foods to a paste or powder. Wooden pestles and mortars absorb flavors and colors. Glass or porcelain ones are easier to clean. The choice is up to you. 15. Colanders are used for draining vegetables and pasta, washing and rinsing fruit and vegetables. Also as a steamer over a pan of boiling water. Colanders can be made from aluminium, which is durable, and also plastic but is unsuitable for steaming, and the enameled metal variety chips very easily. 16. Sieves are used for sifting solids. Chinois conical sieves for liquids. Nylon and stainless steel prevent food discoloration. 17. Rolling pins are used for rolling out pastry into flan tins, crushing biscuits for cheesecake and bashing meat to tenderize. Rolling pins made of hardwood, well sanded and rubbed smooth, are economical, durable and versatile. 18. Piping bags come in various sizes and can be used with or without nozzles. Large for mashed potatoes, meringues and choux pastry, medium for whipped cream, and small for icing cakes and biscuits. Nylon bags are more durable than plastic ones. Look for double stitching on seams and hemming on the top, and reinforcement around nozzle. 19. Pastry brushes are used for applying glazes, e.g., milk, egg and syrup to doughs, pastries and cakes. Nylon bristles can melt, and are harder than bristle brushes, leaving marks on soft pastry. Use bristle or silicone. 20. Balloon whisk is used for whisking air into egg whites. 21. Hand mixer is a handheld mixing device. The motor drives the beaters which are immersed in the food to perform the mixing action. The user may use any suitable kitchen container to hold the ingredients while mixing. 22. Chopping boards are used for chopping, rolling out pastry and carving meat. They are color coordinated to avoid cross-contamination. They come in a variety of materials and sizes to suit your needs. It can be useful to have a selection of chopping boards for different uses in your home. 23. Mixing bowls are used for mixing ingredients together, e.g. mayonnaise, batters, cakes, pastry and bread. Ensure earthenware bowls are not cracked by tapping with a pencil. A resonant ring should be heard. 24. Pudding basins are used for making puddings, e.g. summer fruits pudding. Mixing ingredients together and cooking steamed puddings, e.g. steak and kidney pudding. 25. Pie plates are used for making tarts or for steaming foods like fish. 26. Pie dishes are used for cooking pies, crumbles, cauliflower au gratin. Pyrex is useful because food being cooked in the oven can be seen through the sides and base of dish. 27. Baking sheets are used for baking biscuits, meringues, bread rolls. Round ones can be used for pizzas and as bases for flan rings. Heavy-duty baking sheets are less likely to buckle with the heat. 28. Bread tins are used for baking bread, banana breads, cakes, cooking pates and meatloaves. Non-stick aluminium tins are useful. However, it is always good to give them a light coating of oil or spray before baking. 29. Deep cake tins are used for baking rich cake mixtures, e.g. Dundee cake or a fruit cake. These are usually baked low and slow, for hours. Those with removable bases are convenient. 30. Shallow cake tins called sandwich tins are used for sponges and Victoria sandwich mixtures. Swiss roll tins are long and flat as shown here. 31. Bun tins are used for baking small cakes, pies, batters, eclairs and tartlets. 32. Flan rings are used for making flans, desserts and quiches. Fluted tins can get clogged up with pastry. It is best to remove the tart while it is still warm. 33. Roasting pans or cast ironware are used for roasting joints and vegetables. 34. Saucepans are used for boiling and simmering foods. Ensure handles are comfortable to hold and firmly attached. Also, lids should fit well. A steam vent is an important safety feature. Choose heavy pans for even heat distribution and to prevent sticking. 35. A milk pan is used for heating milk. These pans usually smaller and feature a spout for easier pouring. 36. Kettles are used for boiling water. Consumer choice: electric kettle or stovetop for gas or induction hobs. 37. Casserole dishes in different shapes and sizes are used for stewing and casseroling. 38. Shallow frying pans are used for cooking pancakes, omelets and fried eggs. Non-stick shallow frying pans use less fat. 39. Deep frying pans are used for cooking chips, Scotch eggs or batter-coated fish. 40. Woks are used for stir-frying sliced vegetables, meat or fish. Food is fried and steamed in a wok. Woks are useful for quick cooking. Flavors and textures are not spoilt and natural juices are not lost. 41. Scales are used for measuring weight. Spring scales are the least accurate but easy to operate. 42. Measuring spoons are used for measuring volume of small quantities. Stainless steel is more durable than plastic as it breaks more easily. 43. Measuring cups are used for measuring volume. Stainless steel is more durable than plastic. 44. Liquid and dry measurers are used for measuring volume. 45. Thermometers are used for measuring temperature. Meat thermometers are used for checking the internal temp of cooked meat and sugar thermometers used for candy making. In conclusion, this unique guide has provided an overview of 45 essential kitchen tools, from knives to thermometers, highlighting their unique functions, durability, and task suitability to enhance cooking efficiency and the culinary experience.